Sarvanuj Dr. Saini from India and conveying his humblest Jai Shri Mataji to all my brothers and sisters around the world, all Sahjogis, and whoever is watching this video. By her grace, today we are going to discuss about how to get rid of high fever or fever. So it is as per Bhavsagar research and the blessing of Sri Mataji and her talks. We have taken some concept from her talk. We are doing practical in our life, in Sahaj Yoga life. We know that when we want to clear our sun channel or the Pingala Nadi, which is hot in nature, we put right hand towards Sri Mataji and left hand towards sky and pray to sky, please remove all the extra heat, temperature and extra distorted thoughts or something like that. Now, we decided why it is so. Sky is having so many representatives in it. If we name, start from, because sky is a mini, is the universe, and the body is a mini universe. In Sanskrit they say Yatha Brahmand, Tatha Pind. Pind means this body and void. Now, on this universe, we find Earth, there is Himalaya, then Chandrama, means moon, these are cold. Then we find Neptune, Pluto, these are the coldest place so far discovered by science. So what is this? Why we came to on this conclusion that let us we find out what it is going on. Himalaya is having temperature, daytime it is comparable hot, but night time it is more, in winter is more. And the moon is also minus cold is there. Moon is very cold. Say night it goes 183 degree centigrade degrees low temperature, and daytime it is 106 temperature. It means it can boil water, rice in the daytime, and sky is containing all these things. So body is part of sky element, as it is said already. So when we get, due to any reason, temperature, antigen, the factor which make us ill, and then we get antibodies also, they fight with that. So what happens when temperature is high? We get so many indications, we know it. The point is how to get rid of this temperature in Sahaj Yoga. Mother has already said this method. Now, sky, if we consider about sky, it is having a moon which is cold as well as hot. It is a sun which is the hottest source of heat. Then Neptune, cold, minus 201 centigrade or minus 232 centigrade temperature, which is just which is less than 68 degree Fahrenheit from the absolute temperature, zero absolute. Where absolute zero temperature is what? When a molecule stops its action, that is called absolute temperature. So if it is so, temperature is that much minus. So we cannot say direct remove the heat from my body. We have to be careful to say extra heat from our body. And we got the positive result. It means if we have temperature, we can to pray to Sri Mataji. Sri Mataji, please guide us to recite the mantra of Neptune or invite the Neptune to help us. So how it is possible? If we raise both hands, Om Tamev Shakshat Sri Brahmand Swamini, that means universe, then Sahasrar Swamini Shakshat Sri Mini Brahmand or mini universe, that is body and void. Shakshat Sri Sky Devta Namo Namah. And then Sri Neptune Namo Namah. It means we have invited the Neptune. So once we invite the Neptune, we may pray, "Oh Neptune, please come and help us by removing extra heat from our body. You are the son of Sri Mataji, and we are her little babies. So please help us." And in our practical experiments, we found that temperature goes down and become normal. Even during COVID-19, so many Sehyogi use this technique to get rid of temperature, and they got the result, positive result. Latest, one girl was suffering from dengue, and she was having temperature from the last more than 1 week, and they contacted Dr. Saini. We advised them to do this Neptune method to reduce, and very moment the temperature went away. She became normal. And surprising, after 1 week, so was so weak and all, after 1 week she took one part in one championship, and she got gold medal in that. That girl is from Jaipur, India. It means we can have the blessing of Sri Mataji. It is a Sehyoga, a practical science. We humbly request all my brothers and sisters who are listening, whether they are Sehyogi or other, they may pray to Neptune to get the relief. And we are sure, as per our practical experiments, that we get relief from temperature, that fever. So we repeat it again, the method, how to invite Neptune. Om Tamev Shakshat, Sri Brahmanda Swamini Shakshat, Sri Sahasrar Swamini Shakshat, Sri Laghu Brahmanda Swamini Mini Universe Shakshat, the body and void. Sri Sky Devta Shakshat, Sri Neptune Namo Namah. That means we have invited people. Because Neptune or whatsoever present in the universe, whether it is a small pebble or electron or neutron or the Himalaya or the universe itself, is controlled by Sri Mataji. They are her representative. So we must be clear in that. We must have faith in that. And then we'll pray, "Oh Neptune, please come and remove extra heat from my body and bless me normal temperature by removing extra heat." And we found it works. Neptune blesses us. We get the blessing of Sri Mataji in this way, and we get normal temperature. Now, what is Neptune? Neptune is the 8th planet in the solar system. It is very far away, and it is 17 times heavier than Earth. But it is very long distance. So it gets very rare rays of sun. Another point, here temperature goes 201 degree to 201 degree to 332 degree centigrade or 373 Fahrenheit, which is only 68 degree less Fahrenheit degree less than the absolute zero temperature. Now another thing, here as per science, the rocks are made of helium and hydrogen gases. You can imagine how much cold it is. So when we use this way, we are blessed by Sri Mataji. They know that we are her children, Sri Mataji's children, and they bless us. So please, again we request you, do it practically and find out the result yourself, or let us find out ourselves, and then we may spread it to our Sehyogis for their betterment. This is well tested and several times tested. We may call well tested, time tested. So thank you very much for watching this. Jai Shri Mataji.